conditional statements. Decision making in Python is done by called conditional statements which decide the flow of program execution. The following conditional statements are available in Python: if statement, if-else statement, nested if statement, if-elif else ladder. The if statement. The if statement is the simplest conditional statement. Here, a statement or a collection of statements within the if block is executed only if a certain condition or expression evaluates to true. If the condition evaluates to false, then the control of execution is passed to the next statement after the if block. The syntax of the if statement is given below. Syntax: if test expression, indented statement block, hash if block ends here. Program 1. To ask the user number of days in a leap year and display message if answer is correct. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 2. To demonstrate the if statement. On running the above program, we get the following output. The if-else statement. The if-else statement checks for a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the indented block following the if statement is executed. Otherwise, the indented block after the else statement is executed. The syntax of the if-else statement is given below. Syntax: if test expression, indented block, else indented block. Program 3. To compare two numbers and print the result. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 4. To display one of the two alternate messages. On running the above program, we get the following output. Nested if statement. Python allows the nested if statement. This means the if indented block inside another if-else indented block. The second nested if indented block will run only when the first if condition evaluates to be true. The syntax of nested if statement is shown below. If test expression 1, if test expression 2, indented block 1, else indented block 2, else indented block 3. Program 5. To find out if the student is selected for the college or not based on the given conditions. First, selected if age is greater than 18 and marks is greater than 65. Second, not selected if age is greater than 18 and marks below 65. Third, not selected if age is less than 18. On running the program given on the previous page, we get the following output. Program 6. To check if the given number is lucky or not. If the given number is greater than 0 and is even, then print lucky number, else print not a lucky number. On running the above program, we get the following output. The if-elif else ladder. The if-elif else ladder is another type of if statement. It helps us to test multiple conditions and follow a top-down approach. In this, as soon as the condition of the if evaluates to be true, the indented block associated with that if is executed and the rest of the ladder is avoided. If none of the condition evaluates to true, then the final else statement gets executed. The syntax of if-elif else ladder is shown below. Syntax: if test expression _1, indented block 1, elif test expression _2, indented block 2, elif test expression _3, indented block 3, else indented block. Program 7. To check whether a given number is 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 8. To print the message based on the marks entered. Display the messages. First, Sorry, you are failed in the exam if the marks are less than 35. Second, if the marks are less than or equal to 60, display the message passed with C grade. If the marks are greater than 60 and less than or equal to 85, display the message passed with B grade. Fourth, if none of the condition evaluates to true, then display the message passed with A grade. On running the above program, we get the following output. Sometimes you need to repeat a task multiple times, or you may need to repeat the task either a certain number of times or until a condition is satisfied. In Python, the statements that are used to repeat a set of instructions are called iterative or looping statements. Looping statements are very useful and necessary for developing applications. Python provides two types of looping statements, for and while. The for statement is used to repeat an instruction or a set of instructions a fixed number of times, whereas the while statement is used to repeat a set of instructions until a condition evaluates to true. Let's discuss these constructs in brief.